Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a grind this winter, trying to sell my restored bikes on Facebook Marketplace. I have a bit of a backlog with 7 bikes ready to go. The last time a bike sold was October of last year. Well, I'm happy to say that the drought is officially over. This last weekend, I finally sold the Mongoose Alta mountain bike, and let me tell you, the story of the sale is wild. So, I picked this bike up from Facebook Marketplace for just $30. It was a little rough, but as you know, I love a good restoration project. I stripped it down to the frame, gave everything a good cleaning, and started inspecting the parts. And as expected, a few things needed replacing. Here's a breakdown of what I replaced. A brand new chain from Amazon, that set me back $18. New handlebar grips, also from Amazon, for $6. I used some fresh cables and housings from my stock, which I valued at $10. And thankfully, I had some spare shifters, brake levers, and V-brakes in my parts bin, so those were free. Let's tally that up. $30 for the bike, $18 for the chain, $6 for the grips, $10 for the cables and housings, and that's a total of $64 invested in this project. I listed the bike on Facebook Marketplace for $110. I got a message early the next morning from a buyer who was really interested. We arranged to meet at a public parking lot. He gave the bike a thorough inspection, took it for a quick spin, and seemed really happy with it and said he would take it. He handed me the money, and as he walked away, I counted it. $150. I was shocked and told him he gave me too much. He said he didn't have any change and thought the bike was worth $150. I've never had that happen before. So, let's do the math. I sold it for $150 and I invested $64. That's a profit of $86, not bad for a weekend project. But wait! Let's see how the build video performed on YouTube. This video received just over 1,000 views, added 7 new subscribers, and YouTube paid me $4.63 for the video. That makes a grand total of $90.64. This sale was a huge win and a testament to the value of restoring these older bikes. It just goes to show, with a little elbow grease and some know-how, you can turn trash into treasure. If you're into bike restoration or just love seeing these projects, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. I've got plenty more restorations coming your way. And if you have any questions or stories about your own bike flips, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching!